couldn't quite get the camera on in time, so not sure if you saw that, but that billboard, did you see it? It said, Joe in the Hoe got to go. For the last year, whoever owns that billboard has been putting some great messages on there. And the citizens of this county where this billboard is, it's not my county, it's the next county up, Calvert County. Some of the citizens have just gone absolutely bananas trying to get that billboard taken down, or at least get the signs changed. Well, it's freedom of speech. There's nothing anybody can do about it. The owner is free to put whatever message he wants on there, I guess. One of the signs actually made, I think, national headlines. I don't know if it was this one or the one before it, but all of the messages have not been good for our current president and vice president. Okay, enough politics. It is what is today? Thursday morning. Yes. We had about 6 or 7/10 of an inch of rain last night from that tropical system. Was it Fred that came up, and it did affect us a little bit. We were under a tornado watch for a while, but I didn't hear of any touchdowns locally. Tornado touchdowns, that is. So this morning I am headed up to the great state of Pennsylvania headed up to the great state of Pennsylvania to pick up my Skidsteer loader and bring that down the road. Still hot here. It's supposed to get to about 90 degrees today. The humidity has just been horrible. So let's see how this trip goes today. Got the gooseneck hooked onto the truck here, and we'll load her up and bring her home. Okay, welcome to PA. The third time in the last 2 weeks that I've entered this state. Hey, there's your favorite fire truck, right? And I have arrived at my destination, Zimmerman Farm Service in Bethel, PA. And 219 miles, 4 hours and 15 minutes, 17.4 miles to the gallon, 51 mile per hour average. I've got it loaded on here, chaining it down. I've got the first chain on it. Then I thought, oh, let me get the camera. So I've got to figure out how to chain the front portion and hold these two pallet racks on. I've got two sets of forks. One is mine, and then another is for a friend. I told him I was coming up here to get this, and he was inquiring about some pallet forks for his skid steer. So I told him what they had. He said bring one down the road for me. So that's why I have two of them on there. Okay, let me get this chain down somehow. Hey, you fell over. I don't know when that happened. Okay, I think I got her strapped down good enough here. This strap is rolling across there to hold the forks on. This chain running across here on the front, and that one on the back. Got the straps on the ramps. So let's head south. We are headed out of here. Apparently they needed some rain. They got it last night or the night before, but you can see the soybeans over here drying up a little bit. I think we're going to get more rain tonight into tomorrow morning. The forecast is for over an inch, so we don't really need it. We had 7/10 last night, but nothing we can do about that. Hey, I realized I better put a little more brake on here. Rolled up to the stop sign, and it wasn't slowing as much as I would have liked it. We're going to take some of the back roads here because traffic was bad out on the interstate going the other way when I came in because of construction work. So I'm going to run some back roads for a little bit here. See if I can get a speeding ticket in some of these small towns. Do you see that there? Right there. Yeah. That's a Pennsylvania fly that I've picked up, and I've got to get rid of that thing. No, you got to go the other way. Go out the window. I'm not taking no Pennsylvania fly home with me, but it has been in here since I left Zimmerman's. Up, almost. Go. Oh, so close. It must be too hot outside for it. It got so close to getting out. That darn thing is gonna bug me, but I've got to get rid of it before I get home. Pit stop time. So, according to my daughter, when you are in Pennsylvania, you have to stop and get Rutter's chocolate milk. So I've made a pit stop here, and I'm gonna try the Rutter's chocolate milk. Yeah, Rutter's is a local, well, I won't say local, it's a Pennsylvania dairy product. Rutter's Dairy in York, Pennsylvania. So I'm only about 4 miles from the plant, actually. I'm here in York right now with a pit stop. So let me try the Rutter's chocolate milk, and I got a Rutter's Italian sub sandwich as well. And then we'll keep on boogieing down the road. But I got to get rid of that fly. I may have to stop at the Pennsylvania-Maryland border and open up all the windows and doors and get that fly out of here. But there it is right now. Just hanging out. Watch this. Go. Oh, see? It did not go. It came back inside. That booger. Yeah, good stuff. She's got a customer at the hardware store that has relatives near the Pennsylvania line, still in Maryland though. Every time that customer goes up to visit the relatives, my daughter has a deal with him that he is to bring milk, Rutter's chocolate milk, back to her. I've seen as many as 12 bottles of milk in my refrigerator at one time. I think that just happened last week, actually. He went up and brought milk back to her. So yeah, got milk? Yep, we do. welcome back to Maryland. Enjoy your visit. Wonder if the scales are open. Usually the trucks are sitting along here if the scales are open. I see one down here. Sitting, we'll see. But hey, the good news is I think I got rid of my fly before I crossed the state line. I don't see it in here now, so fingers crossed. And there's the answer to my question. The scales are closed, so I will not have to cross them today. Not that I'd have an issue, because I'm not overweight. And I see a few drops of rain on my windshield, but I don't think we're gonna have the downpours. I should be home before the downpours. Hope so anyway. And I better turn the traffic report on, see what's going on around the Baltimore Beltway today. Hopefully we don't have issues like we did a couple days ago. Man, these hills are killing my fuel mileage here. I got the turbo wound up. Yeah. But that truck in front of me is having problems with these hills as well. He must have a pretty good jag on her. Let's see, I've reset when I left Zimmerman's, and let's roll down here. 11.1 miles to the gallon, and what did I have going up empty? It was 17 or thereabouts, so far just 11 with the load on. I still haven't heard a traffic report. That's not a police. These newer cars now have too much frickin' technology on them. They have these radar sensors all around the car, and it causes that bird dog to go crazy. It's mainly Hondas, I've noticed. Hondas are the worst offenders. Alright, let's see what this sign says. I think this is where I first got the warning a couple days ago about the problems on the Beltway. No issues. 5 miles to the Beltway, 5 minutes to get there. It's not flashing anything else, so that's a good sign. I should be around the Beltway. It's 3:30 now, so I'll get around it before peak rush hour, hopefully. Okay, I almost made it around the Baltimore Beltway without slowing down. It's 4 o'clock. I've got another mile and a half. I'm taking 97 south. Another mile and a half, I'll be off the Beltway. But yeah, just hit this slow down right here. We're moving. We haven't stopped. We're moving, so that's good. I just need to get up earlier. That's the issue. If I started earlier this morning, I would not have to worry about this. Or if I didn't stop for Rutter's chocolate milk, I would have been past this. Lots of ifs in the world. Okay, there we go. I just pulled into my driveway. Almost 209 miles coming back. Hey, that mileage really dropped. Fuel mileage 11.2. 4 hours and 55 minutes. I took some back roads. Traffic was horrible, so yeah, it took me what 45 minutes longer thereabouts. Plus I made a stop to grab something to eat. Didn't turn the truck off, so that put a little bit of time on there. So I'll take this down. Excuse me. I'll take it down to the farm tomorrow and unload it and go over it and check it out. See what kind of damage I can do with it. It's supposed to be a rainy day tomorrow morning anyway. So I guess that's all I got. The milk is gone. The sandwich is gone. So I think it's adult beverage time. Yeah, that's what time it is. Adult beverage time. And it's also time to say, see ya. Hey, everything is just as tight as when I left Pennsylvania.